it's a little too rough for you. There's, I just hit a pretty good sized bump on the right hand side. No metal, but it was pretty substantial.
Roger.
Couldn't see it because I got too big a hood.
I got the same problem.
Did you hit it too?
Yeah, it's hard to see over the hood. The high wheel four-wheel, or the high luxury four-wheel drive on this thing, the CR2, they offer with a camera up front.
Ah, that's kind of handy. I've often thought about doing that, so it might be a kind of a neat idea.
Yeah, it's just how do you tie it into whatever your display is up that you can have access to.
I mean, like this, like right now I went to need guy, I could probably flip over to a Wi-Fi camera, because I mean it's got Wi-Fi, all you need is a Wi-Fi connection.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, it certainly does not look like this road gets traveled much. I think that section that we just went through probably turns away. 90% of the people made it that far.
Yeah, but I was thinking, you know, they probably run the water truck through here, so can't be too bad.
Possible, I don't know. I know they run the water trucks inside the Laidlaw Park there. Those are pretty well used.
Oh, you saw the water tanks a little ways back, right? The troughs?
Yeah, it didn't look like they've been used for a long time because there's grass growing around them. So when we turn right, that road continues, circles back down and goes back down towards the main road. it's kind of crazy, and why?
Obviously, I'm guessing to get wherever we're going, but still.
Oh, I finally saw some tire tracks on that turn right there. Took him back to be alright. Ah. Ah. Yeah, Google Earth doesn't do this road any justice at all.
Yeah, it's pretty convoluted. You know how on the paper map you got it showed a lava flow? I wonder if this is what we're going through right now, if there's more still up ahead.
Yeah, I don't think we get to the rough stuff until we're through this.
Yeah, this might get interesting.
Yeah, it's already interesting. I mean, I'm not in fear of hitting metal, but it's a fun road, I'll give it that.
Yeah, it's probably a good thing we're not trying to pull a trailers through here.
Oh, I pulled foamy through so far, anyway. I pulled it through worse than this on the Coyote Works. You just haven't got to that video yet.